My son is always washing his vehicles. He has a truck and a car, so we were super excited to get these for free in exchange for our honest and unbiased reviews. So we're going to give them a try this morning. Okay, so I'm going to choose to try the blue one first. It does say that you need to remove it from the pouch and then soak it in warm water for about 5 minutes to get the chamois ready for the first time that you use it. So this is my first time ever using one of these things, and it's almost got like a stretchy feel to it. It feels really, it almost feels damp already. So I'm just going to kind of roll it up a little bit and then set it into the damp water. Make sure it all gets nice and wet in there, and then I'm just going to let it set in there for the 5 minutes. So while the towel is in there soaking, I do want to say that it does say that when you are finished, you put it back in this container while it's still a little bit damp after you've kind of wrung it out a little bit, and store it in the container while it's still damp. So don't think you have to completely dry it. You can also put it in the wash machine on a delicate cycle, it says, with just mild detergent. If it does get dry while it's out of the container and it gets like, you know, super hard, like sometimes the rags and cloths can do, it says that you can just re-soak it in warm water for 5 minutes again. This is the extra large size, which is great for us because we have a lot of vehicles to do at one time. So the more surface area you can cover at one time, the better. And so after you've washed your car and it's still soaking wet, you just open up the chamois towel and you just lightly pull it across the wet areas. We started on the hood just because that's where my son always likes to dry off first. And you can see it gets all of the water spots off. There's no streaks or marks or anything. It just wipes the water right off perfectly every single time. And you wring the water out as you go just to get rid of all the extra water. And then when you are finished, you wring out the chamois towel, and like the instructions say, you roll it up and you put it back in the container with it damp just so it doesn't harden, and it's good as new for next time.